There is a little confusion about root pressure in plants. We can answer simple questions on this topic. In case question is asked in the application way or in a confusing way, what to do? So, we need much clarity on the concept. I tried my best to give you wonderful visuals on this topic. Hello everyone, I am Vani. You are watching my channel, My Science Journey. Let's learn about root pressure in this video. We all know that xylem in plants takes part in conduction of water and minerals from root to shoot. In the root, xylem is located in the periphery, whereas in stem, xylem is located inner side of the phloem, that is, towards the center of the stem in each vascular bundle. How does root pressure is created in roots? Let's see in this video. To observe root pressure, we must understand the relationship between root hair and soil water. That means water present in the soil around the plant's roots. The soil water is an extremely dilute solution of salts. It is more diluted in state when we compare with the cell sap of the root hair. Root hairs are specialized cells to absorb water. You can see their shape here. These are not like the beside cell, right? Before we pour water, all these cells which are closely arranged to xylem vessels are in higher concentration, because in these cells amount of water becomes less, so that cell sap concentration is increased. Cell sap is the liquid present in vacuole of plant cells. So we can confirm that these cells cell sap is in higher concentration, whereas soil water, when we supply water to plants, obviously is in lower concentration. It means soil water concentration is more dilute than that of the cell sap in the root hair. Let's recall the process of osmosis here. What is osmosis? Movement of molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration in the presence of semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. So, because of the concentration differences in between root hair cell sap and soil water, osmosis takes part. So, plasma membrane around the root hair cells acts as semi-permeable membrane which selectively allows certain molecules to pass through along with water. At the end of this video, I'll give you a little more information about semi-permeable membrane. So kindly watch this video till the end. Now, you can see in this picture clearly how root hairs are penetrated into the soil particles. When the spaces between soil particles are filled with water, which is in lower concentration, water molecules move from those spaces into root hair cells through the semi-permeable membrane called plasma membrane. So, root hair cytoplasm becomes diluted and becomes turgid because vacuole in the cell receives water and attains its shape. So that vacuole applies pressure on cytoplasm and cell wall too and makes the cell turgid. Now there is a concentration gradient between the root hair and beside cell. So water from root hair entered into beside cell which have cytoplasm with higher concentration when compared with root hair cell. So like this, water moves from root hair until it enters into the xylem. Not only from one root hair but also from all the root hair cells, water entered into xylem vessels, so that pressure is exerted in the xylem vessels which helps in movement of water upwards. This is called as root pressure. In other words, root pressure is a force generated within a plant root system that pushes water and minerals upward through the xylem, primarily caused by the osmotic pressure within the root cells when they are actively absorbing water and minerals from the soil. This root pressure essentially creating a pressure that drives water into the xylem vessels and allowing to move up the plant stem. We can observe this process much better when transpiration rates are low, that is at night, and also when soil moisture is high. At these times, root pressure can be observed as guttation. What is guttation? Just observe these pictures. Some people think they are raindrops, but in fact, it's a type of plant's function that automatically secretes these water droplets on the edges of the leaf, giving a beautiful and wonderful appearance. This phenomenon is called guttation in plants. There are some factors which affects root pressure. Number 1 is soil moisture. High soil moisture leads to greater root pressure. Number 2 is transpiration rate. Low transpiration rate leads to high root pressure. Number 3, uptake of minerals. Active uptake of minerals by roots is crucial for generating root pressure. To observe root pressure, we can conduct a simple activity. For this, we must take a well-watered potted plant and cut its stem a few centimeters above the soil level. Better we do it early in the morning by ensuring that root pressure is high. Securely attach a glass tube on the stem by using a small rubber tube. Pour some water in the glass tube and make the level as M1. Leave the setup for 3 hours and mark the increased level of water in the tube as M2. The increased level of water is due to the root pressure. The instrument used to measure root pressure is manometer. Hope you understood well. As we came to the end, let me give you some more information regarding semi-permeable membrane. That is, besides plasma membrane, there are some more examples of semi-permeable membranes. They are cellophane, which is used for dialysis tubing. Next, copper ferrocyanide, certain types of synthetic polymer membranes. Even the skin of frog also works as semi-permeable membrane. Finally, hope that my video is definitely helpful for you. If you truly like my video, please like, share it to your friends and family members and subscribe my channel for more coming up videos. Thank you so much for watching my video.